This is the weather forecast video for Saturday, June the 18th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image. From last evening showed some complexes of thunderstorms over the middle part of the country, one over central Minnesota and two over Kansas into western Missouri. Here's the watch warning map. You can see some severe thunderstorm watches to the south, an expiring tornado watch to the north, and in the state of Iowa it's fairly quiet, with some other scattered weather issues across the west and south. Here's the severe weather outlook. For today and tonight, a slight risk of severe weather extends from the Black Hills of South Dakota, Nebraska, and eastern Colorado, eastward through all of Kansas, northern Oklahoma, all of Missouri, southern Iowa, into Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, Tennessee, and into Georgia. This includes areas in Iowa south of U.S. Highway 34. Day 2, this is Sunday. A slight risk of severe weather extends from eastern Montana and eastern Wyoming, northeastern Colorado, through the western parts of North Dakota, most of South Dakota, all of Nebraska, Kansas, and the southwestern half of Iowa, almost all of Missouri, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, and all of Kentucky. Here's the QPF chart. Precipitation through Wednesday evening at 7 o'clock, and this shows anywhere between about a half to 3/4 of an inch over the far west to upwards of 2 to maybe 3 inches over the east. Let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. today. You can see a west to southwesterly flow aloft over the country with a ridge over the southern part of the country at the surface. It shows that there could be some showers and storms around, but they look to be very isolated. Looks like we'll see a lot of dry time on Saturday with some isolated showers in the afternoon. Same would go for Sunday. The model shows some moisture to the north and to the east, so lots of dry time with some isolated activity. Monday, low pressure over near Salina, Kansas. We'll have a front nearby, so the chances of storms will increase. Tuesday at the upper level, you can see a big trough moving in. Vortmax over the Missouri River Valley west of Sioux City. We'll see some possibly strong to severe storms at the low at Omaha. Some heavy rain north and northeast of the state with this system. As we head into Wednesday, the low begins to weaken. Still a shot at some showers and maybe an isolated thunderstorm, but severe weather will be almost non-existent by Wednesday. Thursday, the low moves into Indiana. Model still wants to paint maybe a shower or storm. We probably will guess that it will be mostly sunny, however. Friday, that storm is well to the east. Model still wants to paint a shower or storm around. Likely it'll be partly to mostly sunny. And a week from today, on Saturday the 25th, you can see another storm system ready to move in from the west, and that could bring some more showers by next Sunday. We head off into Voodoo on June the 30th as we end the first month of meteorological summer. See a fairly westerly flow across the country with some scattered showers and storms here and there, but no real large low pressure system, so any activity that develops will be fairly isolated and widely scattered. And at the end of the forecast on July the 3rd, this looks to be very hot with a 594 ridge centered at near Memphis with a storm track way up at the U.S.-Canadian border, and that's where most of the action will be, except for some isolated activity under the heat ridge, so the 4th of July could be fairly hot across the area. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.